Welcome to Word Attack this week. This week we're going to talk about 3 parts of words. We're going to talk about prefixes, root words, and suffixes. For this lesson, you're going to learn about prefixes, which is this part of the word. Now, what is a prefix? A prefix is a word that is placed before another, and guess what? When you do that, you can change the meaning of the original word. And why is that? All word parts have meaning. So therefore, prefixes have a meaning. So when we add a prefix to a root word, we can change its meaning. What the heck does that mean? Let's practice a little. Here's a word that is a prefix, re. And re means again. So if I have this word do, and I add my prefix before the word, because that's where prefixes always come into the word. They are always before the root word. I've just changed this word. So if I were going to use the word do in a sentence, I might say, I'm going to do my homework, and that has a meaning. If I add a prefix re to the word do, then I've completely changed the meaning of the word. Listen, I'm going to redo my homework. You see? That means I have to do it again. In the first case, I'm just doing my homework. And in the second case, by adding these 2 little letters, I've changed the meaning of the word. Look at the word below that, heat. I'm going to heat my pasta for lunch. Let's add re to it. Changed it again. Now I'm going to reheat my pasta for lunch. That means I'm going to heat it again. I must have heated it before, because now I'm going to do it again, because re means again. Okay, so you're going to practice with some cards, and I'm going to give you a minute to get together. You'll need something to write with. You will need something to write on. And you're going to set your paper up just like this. Name, number, and date. And this time you're going to put a title. This is called Word Attack Prefix. So take a minute and do that. Make sure that you have a set of cards that have sentences and a green set of cards that looks like headers. So here's the activity. I'll explain it to you. You're going to take these cards, these sentence cards, and you're going to read them. Then you'll notice that each card has a word that's underlined. So their first activity is to sort all of the sentences that have words that use the same prefix. So go ahead and do that. You should have 3 piles. So you're looking for sentences that have the same words with the same, different words with the same prefix. And after you do that, you're going to try to figure out, what does that prefix mean? Now, I've given you some of these cards, these header cards, and these header cards are the meanings, the definitions of the prefixes. So after you sort them out, you're going to try to figure out what the meaning of the prefix is, to see if you can determine the meaning of the prefix on your own. Then your practice will be, you're going to take a word list back to your desk, and you are going to pick 4 words, 2 sets of words, and you're going to write sentences showing me that you know how to use the words in sentences when you change the meaning with suffixes. So go ahead and do that. Thanks.